y'all, it's Andrea with Sucs For You in Houston, Texas, and this is my big, beautiful beefsteak begonia, or Begonia Beefsteak, Begonia erythrophylla, and it's a gorgeous plant, and I've had it for several years now. My friend Kathy sent me a couple of leaf cuttings, like just, from the stems, like right there and right there. So she sent this to me, and I had them in water for quite a while. And eventually it started putting out new growth, and then I started some more, and I did some leaf propagations, like by cutting them up. I have some videos about that, at least one. And so today I'm about to ship her back part of this plant, because hers, she said, is looking a little sad. So we're gonna send her back a piece, a nice piece, and hope that she can get that going. I have no doubt that as long as it arrives there alive, that she's going to be able to keep that thing alive and thriving and multiplying. So let's pack her up a piece. So what I went ahead and did a few days ago after we chatted was take out this nice big chunky rhizome with several leaves on there. And I think this is going to give it a really good chance to show up. Maybe not whole, but there will be several pieces, or hopefully not too many pieces, for her to work with. Ideally, she can just, this will come through just fine in the mail. I'm sending it UPS. And yeah, she can just put that in soil and then it'll take off, hopefully. If any of the leaves break, she knows how to start those in water or in soil. She taught me how. And I was gonna just send like a little box. I was like, you know what? Might as well find some other stuff to send too. So this is gonna be one, and I think I'm going to put this in this box and then put this in this box, which will give me a lot more room to add a few other things. So I'm gonna go see what else I can find. I know something she wanted, so I'm gonna go see how that's doing. Right. So this is a Drimiopsis kirkii. It's a type of squill, and these will also bounce back really quickly if something happens in shipping. These didn't have the best protection in the freeze, so you can see they don't look like a whole plant yet, but they're going to do really well once just potted up and given proper watering. So I'm going to send her all of these. And I know I'm not the only one who saves every box in hopes they'll use it someday. And then as soon as you wind up throwing it away, you wind up actually needing it. This is not that day. I hung on to several small, like hard boxes, and I'm getting to use it. Excited about that. And I want to send her some of this Plectranthus Toomentosa. They call it the Vicks plant, but mine does not smell like Vicks. Mine smells lovely. It smells like lavender. It smells like oregano, but it's on the sweeter side. It doesn't have a weird medicinal smell. I've smelled a lot of Plectranthus in my time. Yeah, so this propagates really easily. This is just a stem cutting that I stuck in the soil over here, and it smells really nice, so I want her to have some. Let me see if I can find another piece. Okay, good. And I got a piece right there. That rooted really quickly. I've been trying to fill out this pot because I kind of neglected it for a while. But I gave some to another friend here in town, so I know where to go if I need to find some more. Hers are doing really well. My friend Maria, she's got a big luscious pot of them, and I'm a little jealous, but maybe if I took care of mine more, mine would be big and luscious too. And you know what? Kathy had also sent me some little cute peanut cactus a while back. So I'm going to see if I can get some of these. I don't know if she needs any more or not. Should I ask? Or should I just send some? I think there's little pieces coming off right here. I'm going to just take those. Because again, hers is awesome. And Probably wind up knocking that off anyway, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put that in the box too. And if she already has some, she can just put them in the pot and fill them out a little bit more. And this is gonna be a good one to send too. It's Aloe Vera Vito. And it's super, super variegated. Hold on, let's try. Let's see. These pups are in there pretty good. Come on out, babies. I think I have some that are actually detached. I thought this one was detached. Let's see. Maybe. Okay. Pulling the whole thing up. What this one? Who wants to come to North Carolina? All right. It looks like it hasn't seen light, like ever, but this is actually its natural color. It's really cool. Don't mind the little crunchy edges. Kathy will get those back in good shape. Okay, I think that's gonna be just about it. Okay, so now I'm just gonna wrap her up in a little paper towel and then put it in this box and then tape the box and then put that box in the big box and then go to the UPS store. And she's in there, perfect fit. Doesn't really move around much when you're shaking it. Gotta pass that test. No plastic because we don't want it to make contact with any like broken part of the plant, which could cause rot. We won't be having that. That one's in. What are you doing? Oh, Melvin. Hi, Melvin. And that one's in. And then I will come in just with some extra padding stuff I've been hoarding. That's it. I did want to mention that for shipping stuff, like it doesn't, you don't have to have like a business or something. I use Pirate Ship and you wind up saving like a lot of money. And in fact, it's actually cheaper for me to send with UPS than with USPS. And when I get that kind of deal, I will take it any day. So yeah, I'm gonna use Pirate Ship to ship from Texas to North Carolina. I really hope Kathy likes getting some of her plant back years later. My grandmother has some. I gave some to another friend. Quite a few people actually are enjoying the Beefsteak Begonia thanks to Kathy's generosity. Look at these gorgeous things. Red. Beautiful. And this is west facing, indoors. We've got a screen and blinds and everything filtering out a lot of the light. And there's like no light. It's not really getting light from the south. So that's what it gets. And she's happy with it. Nice, right? To have a beautiful low light indoor plant. Right, Melvin? Right, Melvin? Right, Tiger? Right, Tigers? Boy, he's the original orange boy. Yes. Oh my gosh. Okay. Thanks for watching. Have a great week.